Oh my god guys, some spicy and sweet Asian beef that I've just made for 3 meals. Look at this. Oh, super amazing. Check it out. Alright guys, so this week I ventured out a little bit and tried to mix up 2 very Asian flavors, which is spiciness and also sweet, and I've experimented it with beef. So it turned out super amazing. It's so tasty, and I've managed to also make this for 3 meals. It's so easy if you've got all the ingredients prepared. It doesn't even take you more than 15 minutes to put this together. You can make it as meal prep or you can serve it right away. But the best thing about this recipe, guys, guess what? You know those Korean noodles that we are so familiar with? Yup, that sauce that you actually have with the Korean noodles, the red colored sauce. It tastes and smells just like it, and it's so good because, you know, what's better than eating healthy and also tasting something that is so familiar to our palate. So if you are ready, try and see what you can get out of this recipe with this ingredient list. It's so easy, you don't need much. Check this one out. Alright guys, so for this sweet and spicy Asian beef meal prep, you do need some low sodium soy sauce, but I've actually used liquid aminos as a substitute for soy sauce as usual. You also need some water. You need some freshly chopped ginger, sesame oil. I've also used my homemade chili paste, but you can also make it with, you know, those kind of store-bought chili paste if you don't have this ready. Otherwise, check out my recipe that I've made those homemade chili paste. It's really not that hard. You also need some coconut sugar. You need some potato starch. I've also got snow peas and red cabbage that I've chopped up as my veggies for this recipe. You need some lime juice or juice from fresh limes. You do need some beef. I've actually used sukiyaki beef for this recipe, and I peeled out the fat and also chopped it up roughly. It's actually really nice because it's soft and tender, but you can also go for, you know, those kind of flank steaks and chop it up, or just regular stir-fried beef does the job. And of course, I've served it with cooked brown rice. Alright guys, so if you are ready, you've got everything, then let's get started in making this sweet and spicy Asian beef meal prep. Let's do it! and spicy Asian beef meal prep. I hope you enjoyed the video. As usual, do comment and thumbs up in this video. And if you like what you've seen, I appreciate a subscribe. So click on the subscribe button right after this video. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you, and I'll see you guys next Thursday for a brand new cheap, fast, and nutritiously Asian meal prep recipe. Bye bye.